you know, Santiago can see it. 10, 17, 22. All right. Let's do some integer review. Just because I don't know if we spend enough time. Do we all understand the mighty Dorito Man?
No.
Guess what Miss O'Malley bought this weekend at the grocery store? Doritos. I didn't eat them yet. But I certainly did buy them. The spicy nachos and then the regular nachos. I think. Did I get the spicy or not? I don't know. Dorito Man. When do we use the Dorito Man? Dividing and multiplying. Let me know when it's done. So when you divide and multiply. So for example, what is negative 6 times 3 equal to? Negative 18. Now, where do we get the 18? Well, that's 6 times 3, right? You can use a multiplication table, whatever you need. The negative and the positive. So this is a negative, so I cover up the negative. This is a positive, so I cover up the positive. What's left over? A negative. That's why my answer is a negative. All right? What is 4 times negative 20? 4 times negative 20. Christopher, write this down, please. It's negative because this is a positive. This is a negative. Positive. Negative. So, what's 4 times 20? 20, 40, 60, 80. We're okay with those two? Yes. Totally. What is negative 5 times negative 2? Oh, that's so sad.
We're already there.
Oh, do you guys have science books at home?
Yeah.
I think it's in Miss Gassner's class.
Oh, and what about they gave you a math book? Do you guys have math books at home?
No.
Oh,
She said that Gassner's class picked the books.
Oh,
So she gave it.
but not Lomelli. Why do you need a math book? I mean, we use it every day, right, kids? Math books every day?
definitely.
We use our math textbooks every day in this class.
Yes, definitely.
I have to actually. It's part of my job. All right. What's negative 5 times negative 2?
10.
Why is it positive?
Because it's two negatives.
It's 2 negatives. Good, good, good. All right. Oh, yeah, so pretend like I wrote a 10 there. Pretend like I wrote a 10. All right, Dorito Man. Oops, all right, cool. Same thing for division, right? What is negative 15 divided by negative 3? Positive 5. Why? Because this is a negative and this is a negative, right? So if I go back to my fancy dancy Dorito Man, this is a negative, that's a negative. So you cover up both negatives. When I cover up both negatives, what's left? A positive, positive 5. All right? Negative 22 divided by 11. Ooh, super hard. Super hard. Negative 22 divided by 11. Yeah. So this is a negative. This is a positive. So a negative and a positive, you cross them out. What's left over? A negative. So negative 2. Are we okay with the Dorito Man?
Yes.
Okay. Can I use the Dorito Man for adding and subtracting? No. Okay, I'm going to give you 4 problems using the same numbers. So, for example, I'm going to give you negative 20 plus 5, negative 20 minus 5, negative 20 times 5, and negative 20 divided by 5. Same two numbers, 4 different operations. Do you think you're going to get the same answer for each problem?
No.
No. You'll have 4 different answers. All right, I'm going to give you guys a minute to work on this quietly. Hold on. Okay. I need to. What can you do? Can you do the multiplying and dividing first? Because we just did the Dorito man. All right, 4 different answers. They all should be different, completely different. And lighter. Smaller and lighter. Because your teacher's eyes are the number is right, but now negative, positive. All right. Oh, come on. Put some answers up there. All right. Number 1. Do you add or subtract? No. Subtract. But do I change it?
Yes.
No. Here you're going to subtract because the signs are different. So what do you get?
Negative 15.
Negative 15. The signs are different, so you're going to subtract. And there's more negatives. Okay? Number 2, what are you going to do with this one? Keep, change, opposite. Keep, change, opposite. Okay? So it'll be negative 20 plus negative 5. Write this down if you don't have it written down. Write this down. And what is our answer?
Negative 25.
Negative 25. Fix it, change it, add it, do it. Okay, this is times. So it's like 20, 40, 60. So what's 20 times 5? 100. What's a negative times a positive? Negative. So this one's negative 100. Now this one's division. So what's 20 divided by 5? 4. What's a negative divided by a positive? Negative 4. Are we okay? So we just took a test on this part. This week we'll take a test on everything, plus what I got to teach you today. This does not go away. The adding, subtracting, multiplying, dividing negative numbers, it doesn't go away. You'll be using it